Hi there, this is a new video. Welcome back to Amazing Gadgets channel. These gadgets and products are available on Amazon and Alibaba. If you need any product, just visit Amazon or Alibaba. So these are products and hacks we've got in this video. Let's see what's in this clip. These are some organizing hacks you can use for organizing your fridge. This is an organizer you can use for glass jars. This is another organizer you can use for soda cans. Pretty helpful. This is another one you can use for eggs. This is another clip. Let's see what's in this beautiful apartment. This is the package. She's gonna unpack all these racks. And this is a brush you can use for cleaning your Snickers. This is a shelf you can use for organizing small items, and this is a small fan. You can use it anywhere at home. This is a folding small basket. This is a folding wallet you can use for your glasses. This is a small mop you can use for cleaning windows and mirrors. This is a triangle mop you can use for the ceiling and walls. This is a cleaner you can use for the corners. It's really helpful. This is a hanger you can use for your clothes, and this is an egg holder. This is another package. This is a tool you can use for peeling vegetables and fruits. Pretty cool. We've got this mobile phone holder you can use in the bathroom. This is another beautiful assortment. Let's see what's in this collection.